What role do you think friendship plays in a person's life? Let's think about it. Loneliness is something that each of us experiences at some point in life, but friendship has the unique ability to fill that void, bringing meaning and warmth to our existence. Friendship is more than just support or pleasant company. It's mutual understanding born of sincerity and trust. True friendship not only allows us to be ourselves, but also helps us discover new facets of our personality. It encourages us to improve, grow, and be inspired by the example of others. Friendship offers a special balance. It allows us not only to share joy, but also to face tough times together, making those moments less painful. In a world where technology creates the illusion of endless connection, true friendship remains something extraordinary. You might have hundreds of friends on social media, but only a few will be there for you in times of joy or sorrow. They are our support, our reflection, our mentors. Sometimes they even understand us better than we understand ourselves. The value of friendship is immeasurable. Every walk, every conversation, every shared laugh, or even silence together, these small things form the essence of a happy life. They become the memories that warm us on cold days. However, friendship is also a responsibility. It requires not just taking, but also giving. To be a friend means being there not only in moments of joy, but also in difficult times, offering patience, understanding, and support. Thank you for watching. Maybe you have a different opinion. Write in the comments.